Is it the right time to buy or sell Lucid stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Lucid. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 8, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any essential updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. As of November 8, 2023, our system has ranked Lucid as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -8.10. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. We'll be keeping a close eye on this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently in the midst of a significant downward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further decline. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected -37.08% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from -40.92% to -28.38%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted -36.55% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return between -70.99% and 42.21%. In terms of price, it could range from $1.15 to $5.62 after a year. Our latest update on Lucid brings an important headline. Is Lucid stock still a good investment after a 8.14% drop on Wednesday? On Wednesday, the price of Lucid stock experienced a significant decline of 8.14%, going from $4.30 to $3.95. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $3.87 and a high of $4.11, representing a 6.07% difference. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 occasions, resulting in a total decrease of 5.28%. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 29 million on the last day, this occurred alongside falling prices. This situation may serve as an early warning sign, potentially increasing the associated risk in the upcoming days. Overall, approximately $200.06 million worth of Lucid shares were bought and sold, with a total of 51 million shares traded. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price reached was $17.81, while the lowest price recorded was $3.87. Presently, the stock is trading at a significant discount of 77.82%, which amounts to $13.86, when compared to the 52-week high. Furthermore, it stands 93.91% below the all-time high achieved on February 18, 2021, when the price reached $64.86. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Guggenheim gave LCID a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, RBC Capital assigned LCID a sector perform grade with a hold action. Also on Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Cantor Fitzgerald rated LCID as neutral with a downgrade action. On Friday, September 8, 2023, RBC Capital gave LCID a sector perform grade with an initialize action. And on Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Needham rated LCID as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have given Lucid stock a general buy rating. They consider the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as neutral. In this video, we'll discuss the signals that have been identified for Lucid. Firstly, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, we also have some negative signals that may have an impact on the stock's near short-term development. It's important to note that both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, painting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. If there are corrections upwards, we can expect some resistance from the lines at $4.27 and $4.81. Breaking above these levels would issue buy signals. On Friday, November 3, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 14.5% fall so far. It is likely that the stock will continue to decline until a new bottom pivot is found. Notably, volume rose on falling prices, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to closely monitor the stock's performance. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivot suggests a sell signal that occurred 4 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy signal that occurred 15 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal that occurred 2 days ago. The long-term moving average currently does not show a sell signal. The relationship between the short and long moving averages still holds a sell signal. Now, if we examine the 12-month chart, here's what we find. The short moving average suggests a buy signal that occurred 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal that occurred 72 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal that occurred 174 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals and insights. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Lucid. Currently, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that under the right conditions, the stock may experience a significant decline in the next couple of days. It's important to be aware of this potential risk. In terms of volatility, this stock has been quite active recently. It may experience large price fluctuations throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicator suggests a wide prediction interval, indicating a high-risk stock. Looking at the past day, the stock had a price range of $0.235 or 6.07% between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, it has shown an average daily volatility of 7.74%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Lucid, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either not earning any profits or is incurring losses. Established companies can experience temporary downturns due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 20, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing some important day trading levels for Lucid. If Lucid experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $4.07. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a trade. However, if you already have a position in Lucid, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. It's worth noting that there isn't strong support from accumulated volume below the current price, which means the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop under certain conditions. This is an important factor to consider, especially for less experienced traders. If you do decide to place bets in this situation, proceed with caution and make sure you have the necessary expertise to navigate such market conditions. The consensus among multiple analysts is that Lucid is a buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On September 14, 2023, Bell Michaels sold 46,735 shares of Class A common stock. On September 10, 2023, House Sherry bought 408,663 shares of Class A common stock. Also on September 10, 2023, House Sherry sold 26,742 shares of Class A common stock. Furthermore, on September 10, 2023, House Sherry and purchased 408,663 shares of employee stock option. In addition, on September 10, 2023, Dingra Goggin bought 113,517 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is positive at 90.434. In total, insiders have bought 361,313,675 shares and sold 6,683,662 shares in the last 100 trades. We have conducted a thorough evaluation of this stock and unfortunately, our findings are negative. It is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Lucid stock a good buy? Lucid currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a wide and falling trend. Therefore, we believe that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a strong sell candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Lucid stock is undervalued. When trading resumes on Thursday, November 9th, we anticipate Lucid to open with a gain of $0.0250 and begin trading at $3.98. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Always consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for your investment decisions. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're giving you an exclusive look at the current stock market. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. Remember to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Our team wishes you success in your trading endeavors and a wonderful day ahead. Thank you for being here with us at Stock Invest.